Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv decoder, Zapper HD decoder if you are living in Ethiopia. So all you got to do is to pick up your Dstv remote and you press on the blue button, which will take you to the menu. And on the menu page you look for settings. You're going to use the arrow left and right keys. Look for settings and you come down to the satellite settings. On the settings menu, satellite settings, you move on to the home network, you press OK to proceed. You come down to the launch installation wizard. Alright, so on the satellite page you need to select the E36B. If the satellite has been changed, you need to select the E36B and you press OK to proceed. On this page, come down to the manual setup, press OK. And the LMB type have to be universal. If they install it with the universal LMB, normally the Zapper HD decoders comes with the universal LMB, but if they install the Dstv Smart LMB using the unique cable ports, you need to change it to unique cable TM/CR and you proceed. So universal, you come down here. On the right side of the page, the signal indicator over there have to show that there is a signal over there. So as you can see, we have some blue fill in the box. Okay. So let's say you put it on universal and it doesn't work or nothing shows, you can change it to the unique cable to check whether there is a signal over there. So if you reach this level and there is nothing showing on the signal status, all you got to do is to check your signal cable or the satellite dish to get a stable signal. So press OK to proceed to scan. Alright, so after scanning, just go ahead and then start enjoying your channels. But if it's a new decoder, you need to activate it before you can go ahead and then enjoy the channel. So all you got to do is to call the Dstv office and then you provide the IUC number of the decoder. You're gonna find the IUC number or the smart card number at the back of the decoder. After submitting the IUC number, they're gonna activate it for you right there. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you like the video, and just share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.